Good morning, my name is Florma Bermúdez. My group is composed of Liliana Martinez, Rosnelly Leal, and Adriana Gonzalez. We will talk about the role of women in civil aviation. The implementation of gender equality in aviation requires a firm commitment from companies and organizations as well as a cultural change that promotes great diversity and inclusion at all levels. One great example is this woman who managed to give a good start to gender equality in the aviation industry in which machismo predominates. Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart is known as one of the pioneers in aviation and an iconic figure in the fight for gender equality. In 1932, Earhart was the first woman to cross the Atlantic Ocean solo in an airplane. Despite mysteriously disappearing during a fight around the world in 1937, Earhart remains a symbol of determination and value in the world of aviation. Bessie Coleman. Bessie Coleman was the first African American and Native American female pilot. Despite facing racial discrimination and gender discrimination, Coleman learned to fly in France and returned to the United States, where she performed aerial shows to attract attention to aviation and educate people of color. Her bravery and determination made her an influential figure in aviation and civil rights. Harriet Quimby was the first woman to receive a pilot license in the United States and the first woman to cross the English Channel solo in an airplane. Quimby was a writer and journalist who worked at the New York Evening Sun and the San Francisco Bulletin, but decided to follow her passion for aviation, becoming a pioneer in an industry dominated by men at the time. These three women were not only pioneers in the world of aviation, but also fought for gender equality and diversity in an industry historically determined by men. Their stories inspire women from all over the world to follow their dreams and break barriers in their respective areas. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Liliana Martinez, and today I want to talk about the importance of encouraging women's participation in aviation. The participation of women in aviation is crucial to promote gender equality, diversity, and progress in the aviation industry. Encouraging the presence of women in key roles within the industry is not only an act of social justice, but also a smart strategy to drive innovation and growth. To achieve greater representation of women in aviation, it is critical to implement programs and policies that promote gender diversity. This includes initiatives such as scholarships and training programs specifically designed for women interested in aviation careers, as well as awareness and sensitization campaigns on the importance of equal opportunities in the sector. In addition, it is necessary to establish equal pay, promotion, and career development policies that ensure an inclusive and equitable work environment for all people, regardless of gender. Aerospace companies can also implement measures to combat gender bias and promote diversity in their teams. Encouraging the participation of women in aviation is not only a matter of social justice, but also a key strategy to drive innovation, growth, and sustainable success in the aviation industry. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary Leal, and today we will talk about women in commercial aviation, challenges and achievements in industry. One of the main challenges that women in aviation have faced is danger, discrimination, and prejudices in an environment that was supposed to be governed by men, but it was not in environments since more and more women occupied roles that were previously only occupied by men, such as pilots. Today, women are playing an excellent roles and commercial pilots. On September 16, in 2022, the first commercial flight was made in Venezuela, crewed by women. In addition to aeronautical engineers, air traffic controls, and participations in the international organization. Let's say that women in current aviation have made important advances and the development in fundamental roles in the world and continuous development of aeronautics. Their achievements demonstrate their talent, dedication, and discipline. Once again, it tells us that we're not limbs, not mere organs.
Good morning, my name is Elena Gonzalez, and I'm going to talk about the contribution of women in the Second World War. During World War II, women aviators played a crucial role in contributing to the Allies' victory. Despite not being officially authorized to fly combat missions in many countries, they performed essential roles in various capacities. In the Soviet Union, for example, the Night Witches were a group of women who flew nighttime combat aircraft to attack German forces. These brave women carried out bombing and vital supply transport missions during the war. In the United States, the Women Air Force Cyrus pilots were a group of female pilots who conducted aircraft transport missions, pilot training, and flight testing. While not recognized as as a military personnel at the time, their contribution was vital in framing up male pilots for combat missions. In the United Kingdom, women like the pilots of the Air Transport Auxiliary also played a crucial role in ferrying aircraft between bases and factories, allowing male pilots to focus on combat missions. In summary, women aviators in World War II demonstrated their brave skills and determination by a significantly contribution to the Allies' victory, challenging their gender norms and paving the way for the future generations of women in aviation.